Watch this video and learn how to draw a Labubu. Later in the video, Artie gets a call from his friend Jay. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, little artists.
You know how you like Labubus?
Yeah.
Why don't we draw one today?
Oh, Artie would love to do that. Yes, please. Oh, yeah.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
Are you ready to start, Artie?
Yeah,
Do you have your pens?
yeah, I got my pens. Yeah, pens.
Do you have some paper?
Oh, yeah, I got my paper too.
Well, what else do we need?
Well, just to start.
Of course.
Yeah, let's start the art.
Okay.
Get ready to draw with my favorite artist, Artie!
Let's start by drawing our Labubu's left eye. We're going to draw a U shape. That's it, Artie. A perfect U. And then across the top, let's draw a sort of smiley mouth shape. A bit like your smile.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now let's draw an oval inside the U shape towards the bottom. Very good, Artie. Now let's draw a little circle at the top of the oval. And let's shade in the whole inside of the oval black, but leave the circle white. If Artie's going too quick, here's a message from Bunny.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. Okay, Artie, now let's draw the right eye. We're going to do everything just the same as we did with the left eye. So first a U, that's it. Then a little smiley line across the top. Then the oval inside the U. And then the circle inside the oval. And then we're going to shade the oval in black. Excellent work, Artie. We have two perfect Labubu eyes.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
Let's draw a little tiny oval shape between the eyes. That's going to be our Labubu's nose. Now let's draw a big smiley curvy line for the mouth. Start underneath the left eye, go all the way across and underneath the right. That's it, Artie. Now let's add some teeth. Lots of little V shapes, one besides the next. Oh yes, these are great teeth, Artie. Let's do a few more. Lots of little V's. It's looking really good already.
Oh, felt time. Okay, felt time. Somebody's calling. Hello, Jay.
Hello, Artie, and hello to all the creative kiddos out there. It's Jay from Good News with Jay, where every story is a happy one.
It's so cool to talk to you, Jay. What's the good news today?
Oh, I've got some fantastic stories to share. Did you know a group of kids just planted a garden at their school? Now they have veggies and flowers to take care of.
That's amazing. I love gardens. Plants are like nature's art supply.
Exactly, Artie. And here's another good one. A little dog helped its owner find their missing sock. Who knew dogs were such good sock detectives?
That's hilarious. Maybe the dog can help me find my missing blue marker pen. Mikey Marker's been looking everywhere for it.
Oh, I'll put out a breaking news alert about it. Missing marker mystery.
Thanks, Jay. What about you? Do you ever draw?
I mostly report the news, but maybe I'll try drawing a big sunny smile, just like mine.
That's a great idea.
Well, Artie, I better get back to the newsroom. But remember, no matter what's going on in the world, there's always good news to share. And the very best news is making someone smile. And I know your drawings do that every day.
Thanks, Jay. See you next time on the Good News Show.
And see you, Artie. Keep spreading creativity, everyone. Bye!
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Yeah,
Best day of your
Yeah.
life?
yeah.
Okay. Now let's draw the top of our Labubu's head. We're going to draw a curved line going all the way above, across the eyes to the right side, but make it very wobbly. Now let's carry on around underneath the teeth and join up with the left side where we started off. Keep watching because coming up, Louis has one of his shape breaks. Let's draw another wobbly line going up above the head, a little bit taller this time. That's it, Artie. All the way down the right side as well. Very good. Now let's go underneath, giving our Labubu a nice chin. Oh, this is going to be a really good drawing, Artie. Great work.
Hi, Artie! Whoa, that's beautiful! Makes me want to belt out a song! Oh! belt out a song. Bye.
Thanks, Barry. We'll let you know when we need another word of wisdom. Okay, that's it, Artie. Let's add some ears. Remember to draw the lines wobbly.
Why do we draw the lines wobbly?
Well, because then it makes it look like fur. Like our Labubu has a nice furry skin or coat.
Oh. Ooh, can we have a shape break?
You want a shape break?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we could.
Oh,
Why
thank
not?
you. Louis, shape break.
Hello and welcome to the Shape Break. My name's Louis and today I'm going to be teaching you about this shape right here. It's a cube. Yes, now, a cube is kind of square-shaped. It's actually got 6 sides, so the face, the front here, is a square indeed, but then also the top's a square, the bottom, and all the sides. So let's count all the sides. 6 sides altogether. Ready? 1, 2, that's the underside. 3, 4, and round the back, 5, 6. 6 sides to a cube. Amazing. Well, anyway, let's think of some sort of cubes in our lives. Let's think. Well, ice cubes. I love ice cubes, especially in the summer when it's hot, you know. Cardboard boxes. They're cubes. Of course, I forgot. The Rubik's Cube. It's the puzzle with all the little squares that you turn around and stuff. So, why did the Rubik's Cube go to the doctor? It had a case of the twists. Yeah, okay, I'm trying my best here, darling. I mean, why did the Ice Cube feel sad? He felt isolated. Isolated. This one's good. What is a box that plays beats? A beatboxer. Marvelous.
Oh, Louis, that was good. Yeah. Oh, Artie learned a lot.
We learned about cubes.
Shape break. Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw the left ear now. Now you have to try and match the right ear as closely as you can, Artie. Draw the exact same shapes as best you can. There's the inside of the ear. Keep those lines wobbly. And then let's do the upside down U shape at the bottom. Perfect. I think we need to give our Labubu a body. Let's draw a line down on the left side, then across the bottom, and then go back up on the right side to the head. Oh, here comes Bunny.
Oh, Artie, your drawing is
is as sweet as carrot cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hopping out now.
Bye.
Ah, that was cute, Artie. Okay, let's give our Labubu some little legs. A curved line and then a straight line down. And now he has some legs. Let's give him a little left arm and a hand at the bottom. Oh yes, perfect drawing, Artie. Let's do the same on the right side. First of all, an arm, and then some little cute fingers. I think we should add some feet, don't you? Yeah, that's it. Oh, look at those toes. Great work, Artie. This is a really good drawing. I think it's finished. What do you think?
I finished.
I thought so.
Yeah,
Are you happy with it?
I'm really happy with
Oh,
it.
that's good.
It looks great.
It does.
That came out really cool, kid, but it needs some color.
I finished.
What a great job, Artie. Oh, I love the colours.
Oh yeah, the colors look so nice.
They really do.
Yeah, Artie's very proud.
Oh, good.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an arty day!
Thank you for watching. We have to go now. I love all my little artists, and I hope you have an arty day.